Good morning friends, today is 23rd September 2018. We are going to Ladakh, Leh by Go Airways non-stop flight from Mumbai. Our Go Airways flight schedule time is 5 o'clock morning, but due to weather condition bad in the Ladakh, Leh, our flight delayed by more than 4 hours. So now at 9 o'clock our flight take off for Leh. From Mumbai to Leh non-stop flights take 3.5 hours. To go to Leh, there is so many ways. You can go by air from Mumbai, Delhi, Bangalore and Ahmedabad. Most of the flight going via Delhi, but from Mumbai flight is going non-stop. Another way you can go via Srinagar. You go up till Srinagar by flight, then go to Leh by via Kargil by road journey. Third is via Manali. Up to Chandigarh you go by flight or train. Then by road journey you go to Leh. All three journeys very beautiful. You go by air or by road. Amazing, mind-blowing natural beauty you get both the side. So friends, enjoy the Ladakh trip with Rajyash Holidays. And we are very thankful to our friend Beyond Heaven Tushar Bhai to arrange our fabulous tour in Leh. Now we coming very near to Leh. See the beautiful snow-peaked mountains from flight window. Now we going to land. This is video shooting from flight cockpit. We fixed our camera in the cockpit to get a superb mind-blowing video shoot of flight landing at the Leh airport. See outer view of Leh airport when Go Airways flight landing at Leh airport. Amazing view, both side mountains, superb, extraordinary view of Leh airport. Our flight land Leh airport by 12 o'clock. Due to Army airport, inside the airport photography and shooting is not allowed. After taking our luggage, we come out from airport and we go to our hotel Sangay Palace by tempo travelers. Our all hotels and transportation and tour arrangement done by Tushar Bhai. We have very good experience with them. Their friends coming from Delhi by other flight. The same day after lunch, we keep relax in the hotel and acclimatization ourselves at high altitude. After breakfast on second day we move for the Leh local sightseeing. First we going Hall of Fame. Hall of Fame is a small museum which have the arms, ammunition and other images and flags of our Kargil war, which is won by our brave Indian soldier and Indian army. We also see here Shanti Stupa and small tanks also. It's a really very beautiful. Every Indian citizen must to visit once in their lifetime. This is Vijay Smarak of our Indian Army who fight against enemy and win the battle. होलो फ्रेम की साइट सीइंग देखने के बाद अब हम जा रहे हैं मैग्नेटिक हिल की तरफ, जो लेह सिटी से 1 घंटे की दूरी पे है। मैग्नेटिक हिल इज़ 1 आवर जर्नी फ्रॉम लेह सिटी। मैग्नेटिक हिल चारों तरफ से सैंड माउंटेन से घिरा हुआ है। यहाँ पे कुछ ऐसी मैग्नेटिक हिल है जहाँ पे आप अपने व्हीकल, कार या टेम्पो ट्रैवलर को न्यूट्रल गियर में करके रखेंगे तो वो मैग्नेटिक हिल आपके व्हीकल को अपनी तरफ खींचती है बिना कोई गाड़ी के एक्सीलरेटर के। ये देखने का अनुभव भी एक बहुत आश्चर्यजनक और माइंड ब्लोइंग व्यू है, तो इसे कभी भी मिस मत कीजिए। मैग्नेटिक हिल की साइट सीइंग करके अब हम संगम पॉइंट पे आ चुके हैं। संगम पॉइंट जहाँ पे इंडूज और झंस्कार रिवर मिलती है। ये काफ़ी ब्यूटीफुल और खूबसूरत जगह है। यहाँ पे आप रिवर राफ्टिंग का शौक भी पूरा कर सकते हैं। यहाँ पे रिवर राफ्टिंग काफ़ी रिजनेबल रेट में होती है और यहाँ का नेचर ब्यूटी भी काफ़ी खूबसूरत है। I will give you some details of rafting charges. For 6 kilometer rafting you have to pay 700. For 14 kilometers you have to pay 1500, and for 26 kilometer you have to pay 1900. Now we come to Gurudwara Patthar Sahib. This is the first Gurudwara in Kashmir region. This is a holy place for the. By evening time we come back to our Leh hotel for the relax for that day. After breakfast on third day we proceed towards Nubra Valley. Total 125 kilometers journey from Leh. We have to cover 5 hours on the way. First we go to Khardungla Pass. This is highest motorable road in the world, 17,800 feet. We passing through Syok River, and we enjoy the thrilling experience of ATV bike at a Dexit desert also. This is Khardungla Pass images. Temperature is -5 in the September month. People enjoying the snow games also here. This is the district area. You can enjoy here ATV bikes. Really good experience. Here the famous, this place, the famous Hindi movie Bhaag Milkha Bhaag shooting done. This is also a very beautiful place surrounding by mountains. Really amazing and mind-blowing experience here. We reached to Nubra Valley. Tent cottages. Sorry. We reached to Nubra Valley by evening 6 o'clock and relax for that day. We are releasing very soon Leh Ladakh Tour Part 2. Please share, like and subscribe.